should be cleaned and well maintained. Toilet tissue and disposable paper towels should be supplied, along with easy-to-clean containers for waste materials. Automatically actuated toilet flushing systems and sinks will reduce the possibility of contamination of clean hands prior to leaving the facilities. Poor sanitation in toilet areas can spread disease. Dirty toilet facilities also have a negative effect on the attitudes and work habits of the employees. These areas should be included in the routine cleaning program to assure that they are kept clean and in good repair. Food or food packaging material should never be stored in restroom areas. Managers play a very important role in helping their employees prevent contamination of food products, such as providing health and hygiene training programs for employees. Managers should provide a clear understanding of the proper personal hygiene practices and company policies regarding illness and other health conditions, such as infected wounds that could contaminate products. Policies should provide reassurance that employees will not lose their jobs if they report an illness or a communicable disease. Management should continually emphasize how important it is for employees to maintain a high level of cleanliness and good health, and should serve as role models for good work habits and acceptable hygienic practices. They should also ensure that visitors are required to follow the same hygienic practices as employees and have policies in place that prevent unauthorized personnel from being in food processing areas. Adequate training is very important and should be documented. Once employees understand what is expected of them, effective supervision of employee practices in food processing areas should be used to ensure that employees follow proper procedures. Training should be reviewed whenever incorrect practices are observed. Employees are more likely to follow good personal hygiene practices when facilities and supplies are adequate. Management is responsible for providing properly located and maintained facilities and supplies that will allow employees to adhere to personal hygiene requirements. Management should provide and maintain the following facilities: dressing and changing rooms that are adequate and properly maintained, laundry services or uniform services as necessary, designated employee areas for breaks where eating and drinking are allowed, strategically placed and well-stocked hand-washing facilities throughout the production area. In summary, fresh-cut produce operations should be protected from contamination with microorganisms or foreign substances. Achieving this goal requires a healthy, clean, and properly trained workforce that understands the importance of proper hand-washing techniques and other personal hygiene practices. Adequate training programs and management supervision are important elements in a program to ensure preparation of safe, fresh-cut produce.